Oh, I got a nice bass. Oh, I got a bass. Oh, I got a big bass. You guys, I just saw a monster bass surface over here. Oh my God. It was just right over here. I'm about to catch this big old beach. Oh my God, I got something. I got something, you guys. Oh, I got a nice bass. Oh, I got a nice bass. Oh, I got a bass. Oh, I got a big bass. Oh, I got a big bass. Let's go. New PB, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. New PB. Check out this monster. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That's a chunk. That was a badass fish, guys. We got our zeros. Yeah, nice little 3-pound bass. 3-pound bass, baby. Let's go. Yeah. 3-pound bass, 18.5 inches long. Oh yeah. Oh my God, we got another big one. Oh, maybe not a big one. It felt big. It sure felt big at first. A nice little bass. Just getting them off the setup. Here you go, fish. Let's go, baby.